Now we're moving on to our third lesson inside competency number 9, which reads, the beginning teacher teaches students to compare and contrast print, visual, and electronic media, including the level of formality of each. For example, email, web-based news articles, and also blogs. Great, let's jump straight into this lesson so you are totally prepared for test day. In order to fulfill the first part of this descriptive statement, we will compare and contrast the nature of content for these 3 different types of media, beginning with print media, where we can see that it is static and tangible, which means this cannot be changed once it's printed, leading to rigorous editing beforehand. This generally has a set layout and structure. Next, we have visual media, which visual media primarily is an aesthetic and also static. It elicits emotions based on visual design, colors, and imagery. It often lacks direct interactive elements. And our third source is electronic media, which is dynamic and often interactive. This can be used to update and be changed in real time. It is also easily shared across platforms. Next, let's discuss the difference each media form has in audience reach, where print media is local to international depending on distribution, often limited by physical boundaries. Visual media has audience reach characteristics like depends on where the visual is displayed, such as a gallery, a magazine, or a billboard. And also some forms, like a billboard, can have a vast local reach, while others, like a personal photograph, might be limited. Next, we have the audience reach of electronic media, which has potentially global reach due to the internet. This can be easily spread and shared. Now, let's discuss the second part of this lesson standard, which is all about level of formality and editing. Starting with print media, which typically undergoes rigorous editing due to its static nature. Levels of formality vary, but generally lean towards the formal side. Then we have levels of formality for visual media, where editing is focused on visual appeal. Formality can range widely, but is often determined by the setting and the context. And then next, let's look at the formalities within electronic media, where editing can vary drastically. Formality ranges from casual, such as a personal blog or a tweet, to very formal, such as official web news or corporate communications. By understanding the distinct characteristics and level of formality in print, visual, and electronic media, future teachers can empower our students to navigate and critically engage with the diverse media landscape that they encounter daily. Need to take the TExES core subjects test soon? Click the link in the description below to get prepared faster, smarter,
Sounds right.
better, with everything you need to pass all in one place. So your test results make you feel like this. And you become a certified teacher with a little help from teacherpreps.com.